Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add products to Shopify from CJ Dropshipping. So of course, first is head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in a new tab, just head over to cjdropshipping.com. Then next is from their webpage, just scroll down, then click on Connect My Store. From the list of e-commerce platforms, choose Shopify. So from here, all you have to do is sign in or sign up to a CJ Dropshipping account. Then log in with our Shopify account. You will then be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Then all you have to do is click on Install. Just grant access permissions by clicking on Install. Here, all you have to do is authorize your Shopify. Just click on Authorize. So once you're logged in to CJ Dropshipping, from here you can now list products to your store by clicking on this now under you can list products to your store. So from here you can choose products that you want to add to your Shopify. Say this for example, all you have to do is click on this list icon. So from here, you can customize product information, variant pricing, images and videos, and description. And once done, just click on List It Now. So the product has been listed successfully and you can view it in your store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!